I've got more than 22. 22. Oh, I've got more than 22. It may not come when I want, but favor still follows me. So in love with you.
Hello Cheri, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ywigs. If you're new here, hey girl, hey, welcome, and if you're not, hey girl, thank you for coming back. Okay, the consistency. Anyway, today I'm bringing you guys another hair tutorial. I'm not gonna make it long because we need to get into how we got here. Come on, you see the curl. If you want to know exactly how I got this hairstyle, exactly how we got here, exactly how we got to looking like the fine babes we are, like, keep on watching. As always, if you have any questions, leave them down below, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye-bye. The hair we're using today is from Ywigs. This is their loose wave human braiding hair. I have 22 inches and 18 inches, 2 bundles of the 22 and 118. The hair comes already off the weft, so it's easy to apply. This hair is really good for boho hairstyles, so boho braids, boho twists, all of that. You can even use it to braid like braiding hair, and it lasts you longer because it's human hair. It won't irritate you. Let's get into the stuff that we're going to need for this hairstyle. You're going to need some locks. Any brand is good. That's the one that I used. Obviously some Cuban twist. You're going to need you some shine and jam, some clips, scissors, and then obviously the curly hair, because that's going to give us the goddess look that we're going for. Now you're going to go ahead and grab you that twist. I like to split mine in half because you don't really need much. Once I do that, I get one side and I split it into 4 for this hairstyle. Depending on how thick, because some of them are thicker than the other, so you can just feel it, and then you're like, some of them you're going to have to split it like just 3 times, others 4, others even 5, so it just depends how thick the Cuban twist hair is. Now we're going on our second bundle. Can you guys believe that this hair that you guys are looking at right now, that's just one bundle. I'm now opening the second bundle. Like, they're not stingy with their hair. That's one thing that I noticed and I love. Like, a bundle gets you a long way. I ended up not even using the third one. I only used 1.5 bundles. I went ahead and applied some shine and jam just so the hair is easy to separate and it doesn't go anywhere. Like, look, so easy. I didn't have to cut nothing. I didn't have to lose nothing. And then you're going to go ahead and grab your lock. Now, I did get these locks longer than I wanted. Initially, I thought they were a good size, but they ended up being too long, so I had to cut them. If you want to get the exact look that I'm going for, I'm going to show you guys how I've been cutting it. Basically, I just fold it into 3 and then cut 1/3 off. Now we're going to start doing the actual lock. You're going to go ahead and put it in the hair that you braided before, and then you're going to start twisting upwards just so we make sure that that lock is secure. And while you're twisting, you want to make sure you're kind of separating the hair so it sort of lays on top of each other instead of just right above it. That creates that security that we need. We need to make sure these locks ain't going nowhere, especially since I did not use any glue. I used the hair itself to lock the hair together. Once you get to the top and make sure it's tight enough, you can start wrapping downwards. And then once you're almost out of the Cuban hair, you want to wrap upwards again just to secure it. And then you're going to twist with your hands and it should be secure from there. Now we're going to go ahead and add our curl. I like to grab the curly pieces that I separated and then get my Cuban twist and then start wrapping. Like we did at the top, you want to make sure you're wrapping the hair while separating it so it lays on top of each other. If you just do it right above it, your lock is going to come apart. So you want to make sure, you see how I'm doing it with my hand to where it's like wide and not just a long one. And then I'm going to get that clip and clip the hair out the way. Once you do that, I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping, going downwards again. And then depending on how thick you are, that's how you feel about the separation. I did not make it neat. I kind of just, depending on how I feel. Some locks have 2 curls on them. Others have 3. Others have 4. I just kept doing it however my head told me how to do it. And then you're just going to go ahead and wrap upwards again to secure that. And then palm roll it. Now we're going to go ahead and secure that curl out of the way as well with our clip. And then we're just kind of going to keep doing the same process until we're all the way down to the bottom. Get your curl, and then you're going to get your Cuban twist here and quite literally start wrapping around it. I don't know why it looks like I'm struggling, but you want to go ahead and include that hair other way as well. And then you want to keep twisting down just a little bit. And then once you see that you're almost at the end, you can go ahead and start adding your last curl. So right here, I'm trying to wrap, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my curl. And this is to secure the bottom curly piece. And then just keep wrapping like we've been doing. Just make sure while you're wrapping over, it doesn't matter how tight you do it, but if you're wrapping over the curly piece, please wrap it tight. We don't want no loose curly pieces. We don't want to lose none of those, especially that we're not using glue in this technique. The hair is holding itself, so make sure you're wrapping it tight enough to where it's not going to come undone. Once you're done with that, wrapping upwards and downwards, you're going to go ahead and perm roll it to secure everything in place. That's how the end looks. And now I'm going to go ahead and just check out the clip so you guys can see how the hair looks. It's literally that simple. It's literally that simple. Literally. And I feel like everybody could do this. And if you have any questions, let me know. See how I can help. But yeah, bring y'all closer. Now I'm going to show you guys how I did the front, because I actually layered the front. I made them a little bit shorter. To be honest, the process is pretty much the same. The only difference is I cut the front 2 pieces because I wanted it to give me like a layered look. So basically doing the same thing we did at the beginning. And then once you make sure you have that secured, going up and down, you're going to go ahead and palm roll that. Like I said, I made the front one shorter, so I'm just going to compare it to the other side so I know exactly where to cut it. And when I cut the first one, honestly, it just depends on how how big your forehead is, how small you want your front pieces, or how long you want your front pieces. So that in itself will tell you exactly where you want to cut it. So I really don't have a measurement for this. I kind of just eyeballed it. And then the difference with the front pieces, I try to make sure that the curls are facing upwards, so I put it in the opposite direction and then just wrap it like we've been wrapping the hair. I just wanted this to create the curl in the front because I do want it to be more curly at the front. Now we're going to go ahead and just start wrapping that hair to make sure that it's nice and secure. Now you're going to go ahead and add another piece of curl. And then just keep wrapping the same way we've been doing. This hairstyle is really good. I would recommend, because I know people like to use different curl patterns, but for this hairstyle, honestly, especially if you're doing locks, I recommend a looser curl. That's why I really like this curl, because I feel like it gives that effortless look. I feel like locks give very effortless, and tighter curls can get too messy too quick. As you know, with boho braids or locks or boho twist, the curlier the hair is, the easier it is to tangle. So the looser it is, the more manageable it's going to be. And since it's human hair, if the hair tangles, you're going to be able to just comb right through it. I'm not going to be here and lie to you guys. Human hair tangles as well, just not as much as synthetic. And with human hair, it's reusable. You can wash it, you can curl it, you can straighten it, you can do whatever you want to do with it. So that's why I recommend human hair. It's easily manageable. Obviously, protective styles are supposed to be easier, so this is as easy as boho styles are gonna get. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the curls so I can get that layered look like I'm going for. Honestly, I got a little scissor happy. I feel like I cut the front one a little too short. I'm gonna let that grow on me. But yeah, just go ahead and just cut those curly pieces just so they look layered as well. And I'm already feeling this hair. I love this hair. I don't know if I should say anything more. Like, you'll see when I'm done. I was feeling myself, okay? You could not tell me nothing. It looks so good. I love this hair. I also checked on the website, y'all. They have a lot of different lengths in this hair, so you don't have to get the 22 that I use, especially since I'm cutting the hair. I know they have 14 to 30, okay? So if you want your hair to your legs, to your butt, you can do it. They got you. They have 14, 16, 18, all the way to 30. And then they have a deal where you can buy 2 automatically. So just make sure y'all go check them out on that website. And now I'm spraying my stuff. I oiled my scalp with the organ oil, and then I'm using my spray. Y'all, this spray smells so good. I'm gonna leave it down below. I love this spray. Everybody loves it. And then look, fine babe. Oh my god, y'all. Let me let y'all take this in.
Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they growing when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't.
Okay, Cheri, you made it all the way to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it here. By the time you're done, you're gonna know how to do every hairstyle. Like, I'm telling you. So yeah, this hairstyle is really cute. Ooh, I love how full it is. And you know, with locks, like the older it is, the better it's gonna look. So my birthday is in like a week, so I'm just gonna let it marinate, let it cook. I'm so happy with how this came out. Like, what? I picked the right curl. Like, I love that it's not too tight. Like, it gives it like an effortless look. It's so like loose and love. The link for this hair, obviously, like always, is gonna be down below if you want to get it. And I received 3 packs, but I only ended up using 2.5. Let me actually show you guys how much was left. Wait, I'm sorry, not 2.5. I ended up using 1.5. This is the second pack, and this is how much I have left. So they're not stingy, because look how full this hair is. And this is a pack and a half. So 2 packs will be good for you. If you want it in thicker, then you use the rest of it. But I used a pack and a half. These are the 22 inches. I did not end up using the 18. I used both 22 inches and stuff. So yeah, if I missed to say anything, just let me know down below. I will make sure that I answer that. But I think that's it, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, Cheri.
I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do.